The ARCHEER Bluetooth transmitter and receiver does, as it states, transmits and receives Bluetooth signals so that you can play audio on a system or transmit audio from a system that is not originally intended to use Bluetooth. Stay tuned to find out more. So when the transmitter/receiver arrives, it'll come in a box like this. And like I said, it is a transmitter/receiver, which makes it really cool because you can use it for multiple new scenarios as opposed to if it was just one or the other. And another thing that's really cool about this thing, you'll see it has working time approximations. That's because this thing actually has a built-in battery. So unlike your traditional Bluetooth transmitter or receiver that you got to plug into a wall outlet or something, you can run this on battery. So that allows a lot more options, such as putting it in a vehicle or carrying it, for other wireless situations on something that may not have Bluetooth built in, but you don't want to be attached to a wall. So it allows for so many more things. The battery type is a 250 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium ion charging supply, blah, blah, blah. So this thing's going to be really cool. It's got a lot of different features for it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh. So inside, you'll have your little transmitter, and this thing is tiny. You can see the palm of my hand. It's pretty small. So you got your TX, RX. So this is transmitter or receiving mode. So like I said, you can use it for whether it's you're sending Bluetooth data to it or from it. So for instance, if you have audio going into it and you're sending it to Bluetooth headphones, or if you're using this connected to your speaker and you're using your phone to transmit to it, you can use it either way. So you'll have your charging port on the back of this. So there's where you can charge it from. Golly, that's in there snug. 3.5 millimeter jack or aux cord, so you can plug it into things. Bare. So pretty nifty little thing. Got your certification stuff on the back. So what else do you get in the box is, what's really neat is, so you'll get a 3.5 to 3.5. So if you gotta plug it phone to phone, or from the 3.5 to your phone. You'll also get an adapter, so if you're plugging it into like an AV system, you can plug it in here and then plug it into your device, and you can go directly to that. And you also get your charging cable. So unfortunately it doesn't come with a charging box, but everybody's got a 1 milliamp hour charging brick at home for your phone or whatever. Then you got your manual, which we don't need because we're pros. But all the different things you can do in it talks about that. So let's go ahead and test this baby out. So the first mode I'm going to demonstrate is as a receiver in a media setup. So like going to an audio video system. So first what you're going to do is put in RX mode, so for receiver. Then you're going to hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. And that means it's ready to pair. So now on your phone, go to settings, Bluetooth, and connect to BT03. Now that I'm connected for audio, take your RCA, come to the back here and plug it into the ones you need. You'll simply plug it in. And now all you have to do is go to your music streaming app and press play. So it's as easy as that. You turn it on, connect your device, plug it in, and you're good to go. And like I said, because this thing's battery powered, I don't have to have another cord for power. But if you were put in a situation like this, obviously you probably would, because you wouldn't want to be charging it all the time. Which it will still function even if you have a cord in it. So one of the reasons I really like this device is you can take a car that doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, and by simply plugging it in, is now a Bluetooth enabled car. Obviously you can reroute this and make it look prettier, but... And so now just to prove that it works with iPhone as well, we've got it Bluetooth connected and it works. Now to use it as a transmitter, so for instance, let's say you're wanting to watch TV at night, but you don't want to bother anyone, so you want to use Bluetooth headphones. You simply go over on TX, and when you power it on, you'll already have your headphones in pairing mode, and it'll automatically connect to your headphones. You have the transmitter connected to your receiver on an audio out, and you can watch TV without bothering your neighbors. I love this little transmitter, and will be personally using it to add Bluetooth functionality to an old car. Let me know what you think you'll be using it for. I'll be posting the link to this device in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.